the top 3 ways to make $200 per day online fast. My name is Marissa Romero and welcome to the channel if you're new. This channel is about giving tips and tricks about how to build and sustain a successful online business and, like me, be able to travel all around the world and live the life of my dreams from simply an internet connection and my laptop. Alright guys, so stay tuned where we talk about the top 3 ways to make $200 a day online fast. Alright guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for daily tips and tricks about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, Facebook ads, whatever it is, alright? And if you're returning to the channel, thank you so much for being a loyal follower to my channel. If you guys are interested, I actually have a free internet marketing training where I go over everything you need to know from A to Z on how to pick a product to offer, how to drive traffic to it. If that's something you're interested in, check it out. It'll be one of the first links in my description, and a lot of students have gotten success from that free video series that I have. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm currently in Bali, Indonesia, and I know it's a little bit loud in the background, but it's a beautiful scenery, so if you don't mind, I'm just gonna keep talking. Alright, so the first way to make money online and to start making an income right away is to offer a product and service online and to create a digital product around it. Alright guys, so what that means is if you have a skill, let's say you're good at guitar lessons, or let's say you're good at graphic design, or let's say you're in videography and you're a good filmmaker and you're good at color corrections, and you want to create a product around it and teach people how to do it and sell it online, I highly recommend doing this because 1, you're building up your brand, 2, you're doing what you love, 3, you're helping others. And I've actually done this myself. I've sold products on how to do e-commerce. I have digital products on YouTube marketing and using video to really take your business to the next level. So that is way number 1 that I recommend, is to build a YouTube channel around a passion that you love, aka like guitar lessons. Start giving value and providing lessons about that topic every single day, or as much as you can. Then the next step would be to create your own product around it. Maybe it's how to teach how to teach people how to get started with videography. Maybe it's how to teach people how to be a wedding photographer, how to teach people how to get started with photography. You can literally create a digital course out of anything. How to garden, how to make money online, how to use YouTube. So, once you start building a YouTube channel around one niche, your following will grow and you'll build dedicated fans because you're 1, providing value, and 2, providing a course where they can get extra help and connect with you. That is the number 1 recommendation on how the top way to make money online. These waves are getting pretty big out here. I need to talk fast. Alright guys, so the number 2 way I recommend you to start making money fast online and reach $200 a day is with e-commerce. And so e-commerce was my specialty when I first got started working online. Okay, so what that means is you pick a e-commerce platform like Shopify, even Amazon, or another e-commerce platform like WooCommerce or something like that, and you upload hot products in there, whether it's jewelry, whether it's print-on-demand shirts with you can make a custom design on your shirt and sell it, put that print on anything, coffee mugs, whatever it is. So you pick a hot product that's not really sold in stores and that you can only get online, and you sell it on your store and drive traffic for it. Typically people use Facebook ads to drive traffic to their e-com stores, but you can really pick what source of traffic you use, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Reddit, Pinterest. There's tons of ways to drive traffic to your e-commerce store. So e-com was a way in my first year as an entrepreneur that I was able to have my breakthrough and create a six-figure revenue for myself. All right, so e-commerce is a great business model, and if you want to learn more about it, I will put resources in the links to e-commerce stuff in the description below. But that is my number 2 recommendation on how to make money online fast, is e-com. The number 3 way to make money online and to build up to $200 a day and beyond is affiliate marketing. That is my number 1 recommendation for if you're a newbie, and if you're just trying to get your feet wet with this whole internet marketing thing, picking a product, driving traffic to it. It is the most simplistic business model in the world, where you take someone else's product, put eyeballs in front of it, sell it, and get a commission. All right, so what that looks like with affiliate marketing is getting someone's link, a link custom to you, and you promoting that online. And so what that does is when someone clicks on that link that's custom to you, their link gets cookied into their computer, and so if they return to the website at a later date, they get the sale, you get the sale for selling that product, because if that company didn't have you, they would have never got that extra sale. So they reward you as the affiliate for getting the commission. All right, so that is how I'm currently able to travel the world and have the time freedom lifestyle that I have, is with affiliate marketing. If you build it up right, it'll be an asset for the rest of your life, because you'll have an email list and an audience that you can sell to at any time that you want. All right, so if you guys are interested in my number 1 affiliate marketing system and way to make money online, check out the resources down below, and also check out my free video course that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, where I go through everything from the ground up, even if you're a complete newbie. All right, guys, so whatever model you decide to go with, just keep pushing, whether it's creating a digital course and selling that online, whether it's e-commerce, and that's it. I will see you guys on the next video. If you got any value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button and the subscribe button, and just, of course, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. All right, talk to you guys later.